Hi everyone, I am back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can add a website to Google Analytics. In order to add a website to Google Analytics, you just have to follow the simple steps. So what you have to do is first of all log into your Google Analytics account and select the website in which you'd like to add a new property or that you wish to add. Now, next thing what you have to do is you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit and click on admin and the left hand side taskbar. After that, you need to set a new property settings or you need to create from the drop down menu and select the property or the website. Then what you have to do is you need to enter your personal details. So you have to go ahead and enter all of these information. So finally choose a business objective and make sure to choose or get a baseline report so that you can get all the Google Analytics report. When you actually install it, then to start for the free just for the WordPress admin area and navigate to a plugins, add new, and then next you need to search for MonsterInsights in the search bar and click on install now. Once the plugin installs, click activate, and with that you'll have successfully added a website to your Google Analytics. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.